Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to download Among Us on PC or laptop for free. All right, so let's begin with the video. I'll be walking you through two methods through which you can install Among Us on your PC. The first one is paid, but I'll be guiding you through a second one through which you can install it completely for free. All right, so let's go. For the first method, go to store.steampowered.com and sign into your account. Alternatively, what you can do is just go over to your Steam app, make sure you're signed in, and from there, navigate to the search bar and search for Among Us. Select the preferred game from the available list and open it up. Scroll down a little bit and click the Add to Cart button. Proceed to the checkout, purchase the game, and it will get added to your library. From there, you can simply install it and play the game. For the second method, open a new tab on your current browser and search for BlueStacks. Now, BlueStacks is basically an Android emulator, which will allow you to run Android apps on your Windows PC. Here, you just need to download the software by clicking this blue button, and it will start downloading. Next, install it on your computer, and you'll land on this page. Here, go to the search bar and then search for Among Us. After that, open it up and click on Install. Once the game has been installed, then it will ask you to sign in your Play Store account. Simply sign into your account and you will be able to play the game. And that's it. So that's basically how you can download Among Us on PC or laptop for free. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.